Hello, so we're back, and this time we have an interesting job. So we have some kind of label printer to repair. This one, because it's very wide, I believe is quite expensive. So what do we know about this? Not too much. I mean, pressing the power button, pressing the button, nothing happened. I can't see any light on the printer. And the charger, I did check the charger, and the charger looks good. So the charger has, check there, 24.4 volts. But before we are starting, let's speak about today's video sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop solution based on the fact that all kind of PCBs, 3D printing, CNC, sheet metal are available from them. Every new register, they are getting $5 welcome bonus, which is about 10 PCBs. So you will get 10 PCBs for free. All you have to do is to pay for the postage. Now I did check myself the quality of the PCB from the PCBWay. As you can see, we are speaking here about a top-notch PCB manufacturer. So what could be the problem? I'm not sure. You remember we fixed one a while ago, and it was the power switch. Let's open this one and check inside. Zebra. It should be pretty easy to be repaired. And the printer, it's open. Huh? Looking good? Looks complicated. Let's check together, yeah? The power switch pins are this. You can see those black are not wires, are like some huge pins. They are soldered on the board, you can see them. So basically we can check if the switch is working or not. I'm assuming the switch it's on the plus line. So we have minus and plus, and we have 24.4. Here we have 0, and here we have 0. Huh? So probably it's not on the plus line. It's not on the ground line. Let's check the plus line. Plus line we have 24, and here 24. So it's not a switch. Let's check it on a different way. Beeping. Not beeping. So the switch, it is good. Okay. So let's follow the path. So we have the plus, but we can't see where the plus is going. I think we have to take the board out. Actually, let me try something else. Let me come with the power supply, 24 volts. Good. Let's see what current is taking. So we have plus and we have minus. And it's taking absolutely nothing. 0. Yeah, the power supply is fine. Nothing, no current at all. Let me try something else also. Let me try ground here, plus here. No, still nothing. Because we cannot follow the power from this side of the board, I have to take the board out. Yeah, I have no choice. We have one screw here. Good, the screw is out. Let's see if it's coming out. It is coming out. How can we do it? I will say let's unplug those connectors from one side. Yeah, and now we can follow the power, you can see. Actually, let's go under the microscope. So we can see the switch. Wait 1 second. Why the switch is on the plus line? When actually we checked and we have no voltage on the switch. Do you think? Lol. Yeah, so check that. That's the issue. So what do you think about that charging port, huh? What do you think? Yeah, check that. So basically that solder is cracked on every way possible, you can see. But what is strange, I could not see from the other side. I mean, check the charging port from the other side. You can see, so this is the charging port, and this is the plus. Pin. You can see it's soldered properly, but it's not enough because the track is not going anywhere from this side of the board. You can see it's just a piece of PCB here, and that's all. So the problem is actually here, because here we can see the PCB. It is going on this direction and is going to this probably inverse voltage diode protection, and then is going to the switch, and then the track is going from the other side of the board, most likely to this MOSFET. But we can check that. So I believe this is the input MOSFET from here to the switch. Yeah, and we have a 0 ohms. So this is the input MOSFET, and yeah, it's supplying power to the other stuff on the board. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's solder this. Just to be sure it will not happen again, I will try to increase the solder area. Perfect, right? Yeah, it's looking good, looking good. Now we need a lot of rosin. A lot of rosin. Rosin is good. Perfect. Even more. Yeah, perfect. Now 190-degree solder wire. And what we are not looking for a solder, but just to add some solder here. Yeah, probably we can't do it because it will suck the heat. The board, it will suck the heat badly. Yeah, we can't do it. Yeah, so let me grab the hot air. I'll set up the temperature around 250 degrees Celsius, 260, just to help the solder wire, the solder iron. So what do you think about that? It is soldered properly or not? That's my question. It is. Yeah, that's a proper solder. Now the question is, it will work? Let's see, let me plug back the cables. Perfect. Now let's plug the power. Plug in the power. It's making noises. We have minus, we have plus here 24, and here 24. Good. So now if we are pressing, yeah, we do have the light. Check here. You can see we have green light. Pressing the button. Red means is no paper. Yeah, it is working, but has no paper inside. Nothing. Proper dirty. I think we can put something over the sensor, right? Some black tape. Over the sensor. Where is the black tape? Lol. Okay. Black tape. Working. All good. All working fine. So if you have this printer, most likely, and this is common fault on the printers, the power button or actually the charging port. But just because you open and you see, wait, the charging port, it is soldered, that doesn't mean it is soldered. You have to check on the other side. You have to follow the power track. You have to follow the voltage, yeah? So I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm happy I helped the customer, because otherwise, what I can do, just, buy another one. Perfect, all back in place. Final test. And the printer it is on, obviously has no paper. Yeah, green, pressing the button, yeah, has no paper, but it is working. I mean, the fault was pretty clear. I know there are shops that are running away repairing, printers, mini printers, like label printers. The big printers, I'm trying to avoid them, yeah, just because it's a mess. Just only trying to open that printer. But small printers are easy to be fixed, and usually, yeah, like power switch, like a faulty charger. Even if you have the voltage, that doesn't mean it will be fine. You have to have the current also. Or like in this case, a crack solder. So I'm gonna stop here. I will say thank you for watching. Like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.